back to the channel. So I'm just going to show you how I apply for SCUML certificate. If it's a non-for-profit, you see this MPO, click on the MPO. It will show you CAC IT clubs or association, humanitarian, whichever one is it. For the sake of this video, it's going to be a company, so we're going to go with DNFI. So you select if it's a business name or RC. I haven't done any one for business name yet, but you can click that. In this case, we're just going to go with company and RC. In this section for objects or sector, you want to, if you don't find what you're looking for, you want to put the one that is best closest to what your business function is. If it's not, then you probably put consulting, or you put something, one of the objects that is similar to any of this. I don't think this is fully sustained or covers all the objects, but take the one that closely relates. So I'm just going to go with consulting and consultants. Note that this application, is like a dummy application because I don't want to put, client information out there. So you want to go to the main business objectives, which is exactly what you're doing. So whatever you're doing or whatever the company is supposed to do, make sure you type it here. Then the next section is going to be the incorporated trustee number. So you want to put the RC number in this section. So you get the RC and put the RC number in this section. Then after you put the RC number, it's going to also verify actually the RC number. I'm just going to click OK here. And then the name of the company as well. So I'm going to put the name of the company here. It's a limited liability company, so I'm just going to put the name of the company here. So you can put it LTD or limited. Then you put the date that the company was incorporated. You can't type it in, so you have to click on the calendar option, check on the month, the year, and fix it right there. So after that, you're going to put the tax number, which is the TIN number, which usually comes, on the bottom of the certificate. So when you print your certificate, sometimes you may see, generate TIN number. You generate TIN number, and then you put the head office address. That's the address, the registered address of the company that, is in the CAC document. Make sure it's the one that is in the CAC document. Yes, so I'll just fill that right here so that you can see it wherever it is, really. If it's Lagos, if it is Abuja, just put the address here, and then you put the state. So I'm just going to come here and put Lagos State, and then I'm also going to the section for bank. I wanted to put it out there that the section for bank, if you look at it, you see that it's not asterisk red. So you can actually leave out that information. If you don't already have a bank account, you can just leave out that information and leave it blank. So you're just going to put the organization's phone number. It can be the director's phone number or the secretary's phone number, and then you put the email. Like I said in my last video, when you're registering a company, it's better, to put the email of the company so that it looks really official. And then contact person has to be one of the directors of the company. If it's a sole director company, then you want to put the only sole director. And you can also put the secretary's details as well. So I'm just going to fill in my name here. Then I'm going to put, national identity number, your NIN. So if you don't have an NIN, please just know that you need an NIN to do a lot of things. Even to register, your company, you'll definitely be needing your NIN. So you want to really quickly get that because it's going to be instrumental in a lot of things, especially, if you're doing business, in Nigeria. So the next one is I'm going to copy this address here. I'm going to put it here. I'm also using the company address, so I'm just going to copy it, and put it here. Sorry guys, I don't know where the address flew out to. I think I might have. So I'll just go and type it all over again, or put my own, address here. So I've changed the address from Lagos to the FCT. So I'm also going to retype, copy that, and then retype it also in the contact person address as well. I'm also going to copy the company's, but you can put your personal email or the email you use for registration and the phone number. In this case, you can put any phone number, at least a phone number, they can contact. And then you're just going to put, your password or the preferred password that you want to use. After you're done filling that, you just click on the OK button, and then you just click on next. You see that yes, the bank details is empty, it will still go through. So I'm just going to also leave that space empty, assuming that you don't already have bank details. After that, it's going to take you to the next phase, which is begin step 2. You click on the begin step 2 here. Then it's going to bring you to this section where you put the beneficial owner, which is the shareholder of the company. So whoever the shareholder is, you want to fill in this part. You put the full name, date of birth, national identity number, mobile address, and then if the shares the person is holding, whether the shares or the percentage of the person is holding. So you're going to click on here. You see publicly, is it a PEP? Yes, absolutely. Percentage of shares, if it is 600,000, it's 60. If it is 400,000, it's 40. So here I'm just going to put the percentage of shares. I'm just going to put I'll just put 40 here. Then I'm going to click down and also put 40 as well. Then after you're done with that, you want to click on the next button, and it will take you to the next. So after that, we're done with that, you're going to go to begin step 3. We're done with step 2. We're just going to come here, and then we'll click on begin step 3. So I had a little bit of issues here. So if you have this problem, just go back to the one you did before, and then click on next again, and then it's going to take you back to the begin step 3. So if you have that issue, you want to go back and then come back in. You can see that it has taken me back to begin step 3 again. So we're going to click it over again, and then it's going to take us to the actual place or the actual portal that we're supposed to fill the form. So we are in step 3 now, and it's this place where we can add directors. So in this case, you can add any of the directors. If you're the contact person and you're the director in this section, you want to fill the form. So what you do is you put your first name, your son name, your designation as director, date of birth, your NIN, your gender, your mobile number, your address, and everything. So I'm just going to fill the form quickly, and then we'll take it. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to click the next button here to take us to the next stage. So after we're done with that, it's going to take us to, it's shown that it's successful, and then it's going to show upload documents. Now, this is the stage where you upload all the registration documents, certificate of incorporation, and, the status report and the MEMAT that shows all whatever the company is doing. The whole object of the company is the directors and also the shareholders. So you want to merge that together, like I said, using small PDF. I use a website called Small PDF. So it has brought me to the upload section, and then I'm just going to quickly upload all the documents here in this space. I'm going to add it. Make sure that it is in a PDF and it is not more than 2 MB. So even if it is more than 2 MB, you want to compress it using that website that I recommended. I love PDF or Small PDF or whichever one that is suitable for you. So I'm just going to upload the document, and then I would click submit button here. So after I've clicked the submit button, it's just going to take us to a place where you have successfully uploaded your forms. If you see any section that says your document is logged till so time, it means that you have the opportunity to take your time and fill your form to a certain point. After that, you can't go back to the form. It's going to show you this particular website. I'm not going to fill this form because, of course, like I told you, it's a dummy application. So this one is just to be keeping you updated as to when you're supposed to be giving the SCUML report or the EFCC because of the object. So you're going to fill this form. Click on SCUML, not Central Bank or any of the other drop downs, and there you have it. They'll also send you an email for confirmation. That means you have put in your application application for SCUML, don't forget to always be checking with their office in regards to your application. If you don't hear from them at least a week, you can go and check in their office. So that's exactly how, you know, I would apply for SCUML certificate. Very easy, very straightforward. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Until I see you guys in my next video. Bye.